अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं हूं मुजाहिद फ्रॉम नवीद गेम। आज हमारे साथ अवेलेबल है Xbox Series X, the next gen console. Now it's available at Naveed Games. And this video we are going to unbox Xbox Series X. इसकी specs भी हम डिस्कस कर लेंगे इस वीडियो में. So let's start the unboxing video. Okay, तो ये रहा Xbox Series X, the console itself. Okay, so ये रहा Xbox Series X. बॉक्स के ऊपर जो है ये 4K 120 FPS 1 TB SSD हार्ड ड्राइव. इट कम्स विद 1 TB SSD हार्ड ड्राइव. इसकी साइड पे कंसोल इटसेल्फ के बैक पे जो है ये पावर योर ड्रीम्स इंक्लूड्स जो है वो मैं आपको अनबॉक्स करके दिखा दूंगा कि इसकी फीचर जो है फीचर भी हम इन डिटेल वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस ड्यूरिंग द अनबॉक्सिंग. So let's start the unboxing video of Xbox Series X. करते हैं हम open. Okay, and first look we have the console itself. So ये रहा the console. Power cable, इसकी नया HDMI cable and also power cable. में Xbox की manual भी available है. Okay, so ये रहा the controller itself. Okay, और रहा the console itself. Okay, so ये रहा इसकी controller. Xbox One wireless controller brings elegant design, refined comfort, and instant sharing to familiar details. Okay, so let's talk about its detail. True 4K gaming up to 120 frames per second, 8K HDR high dynamic range, the fastest, most powerful Xbox ever. 12 teraflop of processing power housed in a system on the chips with ZIM2 and RDNA2. Xbox Series X is or the first game console to support gaming in Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, which enhance gaming with both full spectrum visual and immersive audio. Xbox Series X delivers sensational smooth frame rate of up to 120 FPS with the visual pop of HDR. Immerse yourself with a sharper characters, brighter worlds, and impossible details. Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. Discover your next-gen games, access our 100 high-quality games, get all the benefit of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. ये था हमारी unboxing video of Xbox Series X. If you want to buy, do visit Naveed Games. Location जो है नीचे description में mention है. हमारी WhatsApp number, हमारी delivery भी available है all around Pakistan. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.